Who invented aeroplane?
Fibrous.
Bicycle.
Macmillan.
Dynamo.
Michael Faraday.
Diesel.
Rudolf Diesel.
Electric lamp.
Thomas Alva Edison.
Electric washing machine.
Huxley Mission Company.
Railway engine.
Defense.
Fountain pen.
Waterman.
Steam railway engine.
James Watt.
Microscope.
Janssen.
Motorcycle.
G. Daimler.
Pneumatic tires.
Dunlop.
Submarine.
David Bushner.
Thermometer.
Manometer.
Transistor.
W. Shockley.
Vaccination.
Edward Jenner.
Air brake.
Charles Gauss.
Air conditioning.
Willis Carrier.
Dynamite.
F.N. Nobel.
Bifocal lens.
Benjamin Franklin.
Razor.
Jim Gillette.
Safety pin.
Water Hunt.
Telephone.
Alexander Graham Bell.
Astronomical telescope.
Galileo Galilei.
Tractor.
Benjamin Hart.
Law of gravitation.
Newton.
Wireless.
Marconi.
Atom bomb.
Water Hand.
Balloon.
Montgolfier.
Film and photographic goods.
Kodak.
Elevator.
Otis.
Helium gas.
Lockyer.
Electron.
J.J. Thomson.
Television.
Jailbird.
Good. Now, which is the tallest animal in the world? Tallest animal?
Giraffe.
Largest sea animal?
Blue whale.
Largest animal on land?
African elephant.
Biggest bird?
Ostrich.
Smallest bird?
Hummingbird.
Fastest bird?
Swift.
Wingless bird?
Kiwi.
Biggest bridge?
Oakland Bridge in SFO.
Longest bridge in the world?
Mahatma Gandhi Setu.
Longest railway platform?
Konak Station.
Longest railway tunnel?
Tenna.
Longest canal?
Quality Kochi Canal.
Highest city?
Wenchon.
Largest continent?
Asia.
Smallest continent?
Australia.
Highest country?
Tibet.
Largest country in population?
China.
Biggest country in area?
Russia.
Largest island in the world?
Greenland.
Largest ocean in the world?
Pacific Ocean.
Longest river in the world?
Nile River.
Tallest waterfall in the world?
Ranger Fall.
Largest desert?
Sahara.
Deepest lake?
Baikal.
Largest lake freshwater?
Lake Superior.
Largest lake saltwater?
Kapsam Sea.
Largest mosque?
Dhamma Mountain Mosque.
Highest mountain peak?
Everest Mosque.
Highest mountain range?
Himalayas.
Longest mountain range?
Tiantes.
Biggest museum?
British Museum.
Biggest museum. Biggest museum?
British Museum.
Okay. Hottest place?
Arabia.
Biggest planet?
Jupiter.
Smallest planet?
Mercury.
Largest volcano?
Mauna Loa.
Longest wall?
Great Wall of China.
Rainiest spot?
Cherrapunji.
Lightest metal?
Lithium.
Hardest substance?
Diamond.
Biggest temple?
Angkor Wat, Cambodia.
Largest stadium?
Sarah Stellman Baraha.
Largest diamond mine?
Kimberley, South Africa.
Longest corridor?
Ramatum Temple Corridor.
How many bones are there in human skull?
22 bones.
Largest bone in human body?
Femur body.
Femur bone. Largest day?
June 21st.
Shortest day?
December 22nd.
Largest electorate?
India.
Longest epic?
Hawaii.
Biggest park?
Yellowstone National Park.
Okay, tell me how many states are there in India?
29 states.
Union territories?
7 union territories.
What's the capital for Andhra Pradesh?
Hyderabad.
Arunachal Pradesh?
Nagar.
Assam?
Jaspur.
Bihar?
Patna.
Chhattisgarh?
Raipur.
Goa?
Patna.
Goa?
Panaji.
Gujarat?
Gandhinagar.
Haryana?
Chandigarh.
Himachal Pradesh?
Shimla.
Jammu and Kashmir?
Srinagar.
Jharkhand?
Ranchi. Ranchi,
Karnataka,
Bangalore,
Kerala,
Nampuram,
Madhya Pradesh,
Gopal,
Maharashtra,
Mumbai,
Manipur,
Impal,
Meghalaya,
Shillong,
Mizoram,
Aizawl,
Nagaland,
Pokemon,
Orissa,
Koilashwar,
Punjab,
Chandigarh,
Rajasthan,
Jaipur,
Sikkim,
Jharkhand,
Tamil Nadu,
Chennai,
Telangana,
Hyderabad,
Tripura,
Agdala,
Uttar Pradesh,
Lucknow,
Uttarakhand,
Nikratan,
West Bengal.
Kolkata,
Now for capital for Union Territories, Andaman and Nicobar Island,
so player,
Chandigarh,
Chandigarh,
Dadra and Nagar Haveli,
Silvassa,
Daman and Diu,
Daman,
Delhi,
Rudolli,
Lakshadweep,
Kavalati,
Puducherry.
Pondicherry,
Who is the President of India?
Pinamagaji,
Prime Minister of India,
Mr. Narendra Modi,
Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu,
Jayalalitha Madam,
Father of our nation,
Mahatma Gandhi Setu,
Mahatma Gandhi. That Mahatma Gandhi Setu on the longest bridge. Father of our nation. Question.
Mahatma Gandhi,
Indian national emblem,
Ashoka Pillar,
Indian national flag,
Tricolor,
Indian national anthem,
Janagana Mana,
Indian national song,
Mande Maram,
Indian national bird,
Peacock,
Indian national flower,
Lotus,
Indian national animal,
Tricolor,
Indian national animal,
Tiger,
Indian national fruit,
Mango,
Indian national tree,
Banyan Tree,
Indian national sport,
Hockey,
Indian national river,
Ganga,
Indian national aquatic animal,
Dolphin,
Indian national currency,
Rupee,
national calendar,
Saka Calendar,
national language,
Hindi,
national festivals.
Independence Day, Republic Day, Constitution Day.
Very good. Thank you.